In this video, we are going to talk about the external style sheet. Last time we already created a website that only use inline styling and internal styling. And some people may think that there's no problems to use inline styling because we can duplicate these. But actually, this example is not the best because the content of the paragraph may be different, and so you have to add it one by one in real case. So back to the external styling. To create an external styling is very simple. First, we need to create a CSS file. For example, we create a new file called styles.css, and then we back to the index.html, and inside the head we create a link tag and link to the styles.css, and then we cut this and paste to the styles.css and save it. Now you can refresh the page and there is nothing happen because it already can link to the style. So to test this, if we comment this styles and refresh the page, you can see the styles of the paragraph already disappear. So we can turn on the styles again by uncomment this. So you can see the styles reappear. So this is a proof that it linked to the external style sheet. The benefit of using external style sheet is we do not need to add inline or internal styling inside each file. So even there is another page, we create a file called about.html, and then inside this file we type exclamation mark, and then under the body we create a title and then about, and we should change this to header, and then we create another paragraph, and then we add the lower if some text. And now if we go to the about page, and there is no style because we have to add the link and go to the styles.css. Now you can see the paragraph styles also apply on this about page without adding a inline style or internal style. We just need to add the link to the style sheet.